Welcome to Christ College, Rebhoi. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Ke Civil Hospital Nongpoh ha ke khat artrik jemang ke Rakhe ke International Nurses Day ha ke jingelang basyangkun ha ke ni ke hospital. Ke khat artrik jemang ke sengi kha jong ke Florence Nightingale ke nongsdang ya ke kam nurse ha ke thma Crimean khat pras pa san pusau hadu khat pras pa san punriu ha ke ba de ki hajar ngut ki sipai bilat ki layap bat mensau jur hamadan thma. Ke Florence Nightingale ke laylam shikin hun ki Samla kenthei ki nurse beningkong ban sumari ki sipai hakani ke thma. Hakani ke jingelang ken mau buram ya ke Samla Nightingale ke nurse beningkong ki nurse Nongpoh ki lashim ya ke jingkular kentin phira ki nurse jongi ki di ke lawei ke jingedai ki nurse ke kentiu ke longbriu manbriu bade ke yok ko kot jong ke jai benriu. Hakini ke jingelang ken mau buram ya ke nurse beningkong layatai sani bahai ki lat ki lenti benyadai ki nurse habarok ke liang jong ke longbriu manbriu kum ke jingkot jingkhia jongki ke yok ko kot ke bainong baini ke jingeda ni ke jingma ke jingberngem bat bon ki we ki jingdon kam jongki. Ke Dr. D. Black Medical Superintendent ke lalong ke kongsan hakini ke jingelang ken mau buram. Lathang ya umum beti bat lalit perdai ke dur jong ke Florence Nightingale hakini ke sengi. Ha ke jingkren ke lay thuk benya ek jingtrai bejar-jar jong ki nurse haman ki hospital bat ki jaka sumar nongpang ha ki nong kendong. Kala kenturu ki pat ba ban age ban sngau shngan bat sngau jan ha ba ki yu ini kendo ki nurse ki be emsngi ban penkot ki nongpang de ki kti bejam not jong ki. Kedanala ti Sangma Nursing Superintendent Nongpoh Civil Hospital kala penken mau ki mati bekordor jong ki nurse haman ki jaka sumar nongpang ban penlong ki pat ba ke Meghalaya ki bakot pakhia.
Tribute to the unwavering dedication, compassion, and resilience that you nurses demonstrate every single day. You nurses are more than just healthcare professionals. You are the caregivers, the educators, and often the first and the last point of contact for patients. Yes, in practical life also we can see that when we admit patient, the nurses are the ones who admit the patient. And yes, when the patient leaves the hospital, yes, the nurses are the ones who discharge the patient. A nurse provides care, comfort, and hope to the patient. You see, like sometimes we are very busy in our daily, we have so stressed in our works, all of us, it's not just me, even you people from the higher level up to the lower level, we are so stressed out with works. Sometimes we even forget, who we are. Remember that, the doctors, the nurses, and all the health workers, we are unique in this hospital, in this healthcare, we are unique. You cannot compare us with the other employees, in the other departments. We are so different from the other employees in the other departments. And yes, we should not forget that what we are being taught in our institutions, be it a doctor or a nurse, we have to remember that we have taken oath to be what we are. We have to remember this. We have to put inside, the day like now, these are all the students here. A day will come when you, just by studying also, I've seen you people taking the oath. And when you finish your studies, you will be taking the biggest oath in your life. So make your profession noble. Do not work because, sometimes we work because, I have my duty from this time to this time, then we finish my duty. I don't care. At the end of the month, I get my salary. It's true. Who can take your salary? All of us, we get our salary. And we work. How you work is up to you. Nobody can stop your salary. So we have that attitude sometimes, we used to forget We come here, we do our duty because we have to. And yes, we get a salary at the end of the month. That is very sad. You know, you work and serve because you want to. It's not because the seniors are telling you. It's not because sister is telling you. It's not because I tell you. It's because you want to. You should love your profession. You serve with feelings, you know. To love your profession, you have to serve with feelings, with all your heart. If you have no feelings for your profession, then you'll never be able to serve properly humanity. You have to work with feelings and serve the patients with feelings. Every time you care, you give the comfort and the hope. You nurses have the opportunity to heal the mind, the soul, the heart, and the body of the patient. Patient may forget your name, but they will never forget how you made them feel. You know, this is your priceless achievement. Be proud to be a nurse, but be humble like Florence Nightingale.